Are you afraid of computers? Do you worry every time you click on a link that you'll be lost somewhere in cyberspace? Would you rather be faced with the live mouse and a computer mouse? Then you may have computer anxiety, and this may be deadly for the mature job seeker. What can you do? You may have used computers in the past. They were challenging. You had to know a computer language, DOS, and you had to command the computer to do things using this language. And these days, it was possible to do serious damage to your computer. With a single errant command, you could lose everything on your hard drive. That was then. Today, it's much easier to find your way around on a computer. You follow graphics instead of typing in commands. You're not able to make drastic changes without confirming them. Basically, it's really hard to break your computer. What skills do you need for the job market? According to Monster.com, a well-known job site, there are 3 basic areas in which you should take some training. First of all, basic computer skills, such as mouse tutorials, using a keyboard, and file management. You also want to learn some Microsoft Office applications, especially Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Finally, you should learn some basic internet skills, such as email, navigating the web, and searching. You have options for improving your understanding and skills, depending on your current level of understanding and your personal resources. You can find many sources online. You might have to ask a family member or friend to help you get started with finding these valuable tutorials. First of all, what do you need to learn? You might want to start with the Microsoft Digital Literacy Curriculum. You can take a test to see what you are comfortable with and what you need to work on. And then you can follow the curriculum to help you with those areas in which you are less comfortable. This is a very robust course, not one that you can complete in a few minutes. However, you will find that it's definitely worth your time to go through this course. There are web-based programs to help you develop your skills. You may want to start with the mouse tutorial. The mouse can be confusing to new computer users. It has several functions, and the way to master them is to practice in a safe way. SeniorNet offers some very basic practice tools on which to help you master the mouse. The keyboard is similar to, but not exactly like a typewriter. If you know how to type, you're halfway there. However, there's a number of keys on the computer keyboard which are new to you. You can start with the tutorial offered through Central Kansas Library System, who have developed lots of different computer training tutorials for the absolute beginner. File management can be a little more confusing. You should begin with the pictorial tutorial to help you put it in perspective. You can find an excellent one offered through the Central Illinois University site. For specific instructions on file management tasks, such as saving files, naming files, copying and moving, backing up, etc., you can visit the Alverno College site where they have a very simple file management tutorial. Learning Microsoft Office may be difficult. However, there are many tutorials that can lead you through the process, and most of them are free. You can start with the source, Microsoft Office Online, where you can develop training on specific things using specific programs in Office. The internet may seem confusing, but you should look at training one step at a time. The ESL NetWorld site offers an online course in learning ESL using the internet. This is a good basic tutorial and gives enough information to help you feel more confident on the internet. The best way to learn the internet, though, is to use it. Once you understand the basics, search engines, evaluating websites, email, using online collaboration, and other things, then you're free to practice. You may decide that you need a live class in order to begin to feel confident. Fortunately, you can find live classes within the county, many of them low to no cost. Here's a beginning list, although there certainly are lots of options out there. San Diego Community College District. Within the Community College District, you have the option for credit or non-credit. There is a fee of $26 a credit if you choose to go the credit route. The non-credit classes are also non-fee. You can also find classes at other San Diego County adult schools, such as Grossmont, Chula Vista, El Cajon, Escondido, Ramona, and more. Check your local directory for choices and times. Many of the local libraries offer free computer classes for adults and seniors. Registration is not required. Classes are 1 hour long and designed for one session. For more information, call your local public library. If you're willing to pay, you can find a number of computer classes in the San Diego area. Many times a beginning user might benefit from a class such as this. It would be more possible to direct your learning towards your individual needs and not the curriculum of the class. Some possible choices in this county include the ComputerWiz.com, Computers Etc. software training, New Horizons, and My Personal Computer Trainer. The computer does not have to be a scary and unforgiving obstacle. Make it your friend, and you will reap the rewards.